Alright, we got the latest bathroom. This was a full gut. Had to do a lot of subfloor repair. New marble threshold. 6x36 wood grain tile. Not too bad. So vanity's going over there, shoved up into the corner. Toilet's under the vacuum. It's a tight bathroom, but we're doing a recessed mirror, medicine cabinet, new light, all new drywall. Still gotta do the final sanding. We're gonna get new casing around this door. Actually, all the doors up on the second floor are getting changed. So all the original doors, they're all getting changed to the hollow core 6 panels. Gotta go pick them up a little later. Yeah. Vent fan. 2 lights in the shower area. And the tub and shower. It's actually a curved front on the tub. Give you a little more room. It is an acrylic tub. I do a lot of beefing up on acrylic. I'm not the biggest fan of acrylic. I prefer fiberglass, but they work. You just gotta do a little more beefing. But yeah, the tile work came out great. 2 recessed shelves, no accent rows. You want to do all white. It's got a light gray grout going into it, which I'm about to do in a little bit here. So yeah, the tub underneath, I set it in 3 massive piles of thin set. So the bottom is basically rock hard. It doesn't move. Ledger board all the way around, all 3 sides. So this is, I mean, it ain't moving. That's rock solid. And I actually have a 1x2 ripped and along the floor behind the skirt of the tub. Just because acrylics, you know, they tend to flex a little bit. So that'll help keep it from moving. But yeah, pretty standard. And,